I'm glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. We're going to investigate each of these keywords using 4 free Chrome extensions, mainly self-publishing Titans and Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extensions, which gives us all the analytics data that we need in order to determine profitability. Now, if you're interested in videos such as these, where we share daily passive income streams, income reviews, tips and strategies to help you make passive income online, then go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell button in order to be notified on all our new videos. And you would also find a link at the bottom of the video in the comment section, as well as in the description box, of the 2 free trials that I recommend. First of all, 30-day free trial for Canva Pro, which allows you to edit and create KDP covers as well as interiors, and also another 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which includes a massive amount of graphics, KDP interiors, and keywords. Completely rely on that, so you can go ahead and take opportunity of the free trial that is available for you, linked in the description box below. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword is astrology daily planner moon cycle 2023, and it has a keyword niche score of 35 by self-publishing Titans and a keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension of number 8. Keep in mind that Amazon Scout Pro has a scale of 1 to 9 for the keyword score, so 8 being really good because 9 is the highest that you can get. The total results are under 1,000. They're currently 129, and the average bestseller rank is 454,197. The average reviews are 375, and the average price is $7.79. Now, I do know that as of making this video today, we are in July, the beginning of July. So we are in the second part of 2023. If you are watching this video as of being uploaded now, then you can do it 2 ways. First of all, you can do it by simply creating a astrology daily planner moon cycle for the remaining of 2023, and then diving in and also creating for 2024. So it would be more of a 2023 to 2024. Or you could use that same exact keyword as it is in the one of the 7 keyword slots and create a astrology daily planner for 2024. Yet you will still rank for this keyword because it will be in the 7 as part of one of 7 in the keyword slots that are allowed. So up to you. In regards to the interiors, what I'm going to go do is right now is head over to Creative Fabrica and see if there is any interiors for the astrology moon cycle journal. So I'm just going to go over here and see what we can find. So I'm going to go astrology and moon cycle, and then we will filter by KDP interior. And there are some really nice graphics, some patterns also that you can rely on. We've got some, this is more of a witchy planner, but it does have some worksheets to do with moon phases. These also have worksheets to do with astrology and moon phases as well. And you could also filter by KDP interiors and see how much there are. There are currently 2, as you can see. This one has 45 templates. This one has 35 templates. You won't be able to use all of them, but you can select to use a couple of them. And always remember to upload the PDF to Canva, and that way you'll be able to edit the interior before uploading it to KDP in order to avoid duplicate content. So the first keyword was astrology daily planner moon cycle 2023. The second keyword for the day is CBT journal for anxiety and depression. It has a keyword niche score of 39. Total results are 1,974, and the average bestseller rank is 543,243. average reviews are 3,234, and the average price is $18.12. This is more of a medium content book where, yes, it is a journal, but it is more towards CBT, which stands for cognitive behavioral therapy. That is for people who suffer from issues with anxiety and so forth. So bear in mind that you need to have some strategies, you do need to have some content in, so it would be really wise to do your research about CBT strategies for people with anxiety and how you can be able to help them as well. And also having a disclaimer would be really helpful in case of legal, trouble or anything of that sort. Having a disclaimer next to your copyright page would be great. Just say that this is not for medical use, and that you are just providing this for informational purposes only. So CBT journal for anxiety and depression, you can go ahead and search that up in Creative Fabrica and see what kind of journals or what kind of interior is available. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to remove these last couple of words, and we just want to look up CBT journal and see what comes up. There are, for example, challenging negative thoughts, and this is a bunch of worksheets that you might be able to use. This is a CBT anxiety journal and workbook sheets, which is really nice. Another one as well, which is more of a content based. There are a couple. There is a total of 12 KDP interiors under CBT journal that you'll be able to use, and you'll be able to filter out. And the third and the final keyword for the day is Heal Your Inner Child journal, and it has a keyword niche score of 52 and a total results of 682. The bestseller rank is quite high because we do prefer it to be around that 300,000 to 400,000 mark, and it is currently sitting at 636,517. But the total results are under 1,000, and there is a great keyword niche score by both of the Chrome extensions that we're using. So Self-Publishing Titans gave us a keyword niche score of 52. Amazon Scout Pro gave us a keyword niche score of 8, which categorizes this as a nice niche. And also the average price is $13.91. So apart from that, you can also search under Creative Fabrica and see if there is any sort of interiors that are available for you. And we do get a total of 3 KDP interiors. First of all, we've got the Heal Your Inner Child journal. It's more of a prompt questions. This next one is Shadow Work journal, which is not really about healing your inner child, but there are aspects to that. And this lastly is the PTSD and trauma processing workbook, which is also another profitable keyword that you might be able to look at as well. Heal Your Inner Child journal was the last and final keyword for the day. And then we talked about CBT journal for anxiety and depression. And lastly, we talked about astrology daily planner, moon cycle 2023. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. Glad to have you here. I'll see you in the next one.